Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready?
Get ready, no. Get ready. Get ready.
This be the green light, go. Tires burn the pavement. People wanna know where Mace, Poss, and Dave went. Still here, still in your ear with a style so hot, you'll see where all the sun rays went. Legs, arms, and head, all being moved in a frenzy. The blends be all the right cred, meaning credentials. Best of both worlds when we rockin' over pearls in the instrumental. Are you ready? Set, jump to the rhythm as hard as you can go. Keep it steady, to the letter right, turn it up, we're doing the show. But can you rock it like rocket? What you talking about? Space out your mind. But can you rock it like rockets? Fool. Close encounter of what kind?
Oh, I'm a disc jockey.
What's a disc jockey?
When it was time to get it lit, we got it hot like fever. Sick with the talk, the pass of your receiver. All about running the spot. And you know we got breath control, so no need to take a breather. Cardio kingpin, subjugate the dub play. And you know we can't wait to bring spins. A-star quizzes, A+ the final. Vocals we align, we'll move it all simultaneously on the joints of rock. We earn 30 years, so you can say we got. We turn live off the board, unlike you and your chess men. We install doubt in you and your yes men. And if the game had veins, we'll insert the gill. Upheaval the ground. Cause the adrenaline we blend with the sound is our thing. Relieving the kings of all crowns. Are you ready? Are you set? Then jump to the rhythm as hard as you can go. Keep it steady, to the letter, right? Turn it up, y'all keep the flow. But can you rock it like rocket fuel? What you talking about? Space out your mind. But can you rock it like rockets? That's a close encounter of what kind? Then jump to the rhythm as hard as you can go. Turn it up, y'all keep the flow. Are you ready? Set, jump to the rhythm as hard as you can go. Keep it steady, to the letter right. Turn it up, we giving the show. But can you rock it like rocket? What you talking about? Space out your mind. But can you rock it like rockets? That's a close encounter of what kind? But can you rock it like rocket fuel?
Yeah. All I ever knew was push. All I had to do was push. I tell them don't press my buttons, haters wanna push. So I had to push. Pedal to the metal, not as easy as it looks. Life's a game of chess, I feel them trying to take my rooks. But I know that God is with me, keep my head inside that book. Yeah, all this money got me hooked. Models got these niggas out here begging for the nook. Nowadays, shorties out here paying for they looks. Steady screaming how they only want a man that can cook. Haters wanna steal my joy like a crook. Take a note and X them out, don't even matter what they took. Don't nobody owe me nothing, but no nothing's overlooked. Gotta push till I'm well overcooked. Feel the motor heating up the hood. Every day I'm thankful that I'm breathing, eating good. Can't wait till the day that I can get back to the hood. Take a trip back when I could, don't get me misunderstood. I had to push. All I had to do was push. I tell them don't press my buttons, haters wanna push. So I had to push. Hush. I can hear them speaking, all they talking about is us. Let them do the talking, I don't bother with it much. I might wake up in the morning to a Grammy winning brunch. I know the ones who got me in the clutch. When I fall and hit the ground, they hold me like a crutch. I just pray this fire keep on burning like a Dutch. Pray he keep the fake away from me, don't interact with such. But I'm not the one to judge. I haters only motive is to push me till I budge. I roll my window up, they get to acting like a bug. Hop on social media and turn into a thug. But I remember where I was and how much more I gotta go. I never hold a grudge. Cause I had to push through the mud, had to push, get it done, had to push. All I ever knew was push, 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 push. All I had to do was push, 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 push. I tell them don't push my buttons, haters wanna push, 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 push. So I had to push, 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 push.
Lil Nas X, I sentenced you to 5 years in Montero State Prison.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the year, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. Need a couple number ones. Need a pack on every song. Need me like one with Nicki now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see it, huh? I'm a pop nigga like Bieber, huh? I don't fuck bitches, I'm queer, huh? But these nigga bitches let me deal, yeah. Ayy, oh, let do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up, man, everybody tryna sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the year, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy, y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say,